right, I'm gonna continue expanding this pad. We got some more stone brought in. But first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape the grass off here with the tractor loader. Just get the top like softer stuff off, and then we'll bring in some fresh clean gravel. All right, so that's going to be my gravel and grass line right there. It's a little rough right now. I'll hit it one more time, and then we're going to bring in some fresh stones. I'm going to make it wider out here and flow right into this road that goes into the woods. All right, let's run a rough grade on it. This stuff right here in front, this just needs a layer to make it look pretty because I got my dirty gravel here, so it's got a base layer. But then all that stuff where I skimmed, I want, 3 inches or so, which should be fine. So let's give it a rough grade. We'll change the view here. Alright, not bad, not too bad. I'm going to get rid of some of these clumps on the edge, and then I need just a thin layer up here, because there again, this used to all be gravel pad, just to make it look a little nicer, and then keep cleaning this up. Alright, I'm going to try and drag these clumps into the woods there with the TR3. Not half bad, that's how you do it. Let's clean it up a little more, but success. All right, here's where I'm calling it for today. I got this whole new parking pad expanded nicely, rough graded. Now you can at least pull a truck and trailer in here, camper or whatever up here up top. And it's gonna get a little bigger yet, but I'm gonna save that stone for now. There's a look from up top by the gate. Cleaned up that edge, got it expanded farther, graded out. Now it's ready to get settled by some more rain. I also redid it all down there, compacted it, smushed it down with the truck, and then put a new layer on top. So that's firming up nicely. So it's a process getting a base layer with only 1 inch clean, but I still prefer that over using 3 inch or riprap as a base, because then you just need so much more rock on top of it. I mean, a lot. Anyways, that's my 2 cents.